Oh. We have 24 and 25 here.
Is that me?
Again, it's about the 5-step method, GCF, right? So what goes into 3, 18, and 48?
3.
Perfect.
Oh, 3.
And b cubed, b squared, b.
What?
B cubed, b squared, and b.
B squared?
No.
Or is it just B?
B. Okay? And so 3b goes into 3b cubed, b squared times, right? 3b goes into negative 18b squared, negative 6b, and then 3b goes into negative 48b, negative 18? No.
Is it 17?
19.
Oh, no.
I want
16 times, right? Okay, then I do the quick easy. Remember the quick one? Parentheses. B. B. This means that it's a minus, right?
Yep.
But this tells me that they are,
Different.
so it's plus. And then, what is 16? Multiplies to be 16, but subtracts to be 6. Multiplies to be 16, but subtracts to be 6. Come on, people. Multiplies to be 16. What multiplies to be 16? 4 and 4, right?
Sure.
But it subtracts to be 0. That's not going to work. 2 and 8?
Yeah.
Subtracts to be
6.
oh, snaps. 8 and 2, right? Because big number first. Okay? So then we're going to rewrite this. I took out a 3b. Remember, I didn't put a star here, so I keep it. 3b times b minus 8 times b plus 2. Okay? And that's the top part. And now we want to do the bottom. What goes into 2,
Nathan
13?
knows all about that.
Huh?
What'd you say?
What happened?
Shut up.
I said Nathan knows all about that.
What goes into 2, b, 13, and 24?
1.
See, I told you.
Okay?
Shut up.
Just the one on top. So,
That's what I do. That's just I'm just kidding.
so we're going to put in 2b and 2b, but remember, that means that there's a star here. We got to clean up that star later. Okay? And then the signs come down. This sign comes down, right? This sign comes down as a minus. This tells me that they are, it's a plus, good. All right, so then I got product and sum, right? What's my product? Product.
I forgot.
First and last.
What?
First times last. 2 times 24. 42. Or no, 48. Okay? And then what's the sum? The middle number. Right? Or 13. And what are we doing in the sum? Subtracting. Come on, people, we gotta know this. Okay? If you don't know it, you really need to make that cheat sheet. This has to be on your cheat sheet. Alright, so what multiplies to be 48 but subtracts to be 13? And if you're having a tough time with it, you can always break 48 down. 48 is kind of a small number. Like 6 and 8 go into it, right? But those obviously aren't big enough. So if you want, again, you can break 48 down. Think of 48, 2, 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, 3, 1, right?
Yes.
And so it's obviously not 8 and 6, so maybe it's 4 and 2 times 2 times 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. Right? So is it 4 and 12? Does that work? Does that subtract to be 13? No. And so we obviously need a number bigger than 13, right? Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So how about 16? Because that's 4 2s. And 16 and 3. Does that work?
Yeah.
Okay. So then we'll do 16 and 3. And then we got to pull out a 2. So what multiplies to be 2? 2 and 1, right? So there's a 2 going to this side. Put a star there because we're throwing that away. And then a 1 on this side. Put a star there and throwing that away. So what do we get? We get b minus 8. And we get 2b plus 3. So we rewrite those over here. b minus 8 and 2b plus 3. Okay? But this cannot be 0. Okay? So what can b not be here?
8.
8. Good. So it's always the opposite of this, right? So it's the opposite of this, which would be negative 3. And it's always divided by this, which is 1 here. But in this case, it's 2. Right? Okay? So that's what b cannot be. So now let's rewrite it. As soon as we cancel some stuff out, let's cancel something. What can I cancel?
B minus
b minus 8. Okay? So we'll rewrite it. 3b times b plus 2 over 2b plus 3. Right? Okay? Whereas b cannot be negative 3 halves and 8. Okay? How's that for some bubblicious? Good, good, yeah? Woo! Good, good, yeah? Woo! Hey, hey! Woof.
I just lost on a ball.
Alright, what goes into 9 and 36?
3.
Yeah, a little bigger.
No,
Yeah!
8, 7.
So, it goes in there 6 times, right? Okay. What goes into 9 and 9?
9.
Woo! You guys are sharp.
4.
I don't care what they say. Okay? And then we'll rewrite it. So we have k plus 1 times k minus 6
Wait, I thought we were doing even.
times 9 all over. Well, you'll notice that this one's the only one that's not different. You have to do 25 and 26. Uh-oh. And then I've got 10k. Whose phone is that? Times 9. No, you're not supposed to have phones in class.
Sorry, yeah. Turn your phone off. Nathan.
Gary Griffin. Gary Griffin.
Peter Griffin's brother. Just kidding.
It is. I don't know Gary Griffin.
Oh. Papa. Okay.
Who's Gary Griffin?
How was your? Well,
finish this before.
Because you can't do it.
So, can we cancel anything? Well, before we cancel something, what can K not be?
It can be 1.
Because this cannot be 0, right? So K cannot be,
10, negative 10.
what times 10 is 0?
1.
10 times 10 is 100. 1 times 10 is 10.
Oh, 0.
Woo! I don't care what they say, you guys are sharp.
Sharper than a mother.
You might not be the sharpest pencil in the box, but you guys are sharp. Exactly, she got it. Oh no, it's something else. Okay, so what plus 1 is 0?
Don't know.
What?
Negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0.
Yes.
And how do we turn 9 into 0? Well, you don't. You got to multiply it by 0, right? So that's the only thing. These are 4. So K cannot be 0 or negative 1. Can we cancel anything out?
Whoops.
K plus 1.
K plus 1. Anything else?
The 9s.
The 9s. Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay. So we'll rewrite it. K minus 6 over 10K. Whereas K cannot equal 0 and negative 1. And there it is. Yay!
13.
Go!